Hello again, my friend. Welcome back to session 7. This will be sustainment. First, congratulations on reaching this stage of the course. It takes discipline, it takes dedication, it takes willingness. Sometimes things can take much longer than you think they will, and while recovering from trauma can take less than a heartbeat, some things stay with us longer than others. Understand that when you are ready to let a thing go, it will be so. It will happen as though it had never been. Evaporate like mists. And at this stage, you have a practical, working understanding of your own body-mind system. You have an understanding of the current limitations of your consciousness's physical manifestation in this reality, and you have knowledge about how to expand the boundaries of those limitations, as well as, ideally, a growing sense of awareness of your own unique expression of existence in this world. Now, no gain in consciousness is ever truly lost. The awareness and effectiveness that you have discovered through the course of these lessons will stay with you for life, even if you never do them again. And I encourage you to do the body scan exercise as much as possible in your daily life, as it can serve as the basis of a much more robust practice of meditation, yoga, or really any self-realization or self-actualization path. As well, I suggest developing your own variations yourself of these movements to expand and to tune into ever more subtle nuances of your body-mind using these principles of narrowing your gait, expanding, for example. So in these coming weeks and the months to come, I suggest that you further develop your relationship with your body, and in particular the spine, as well as to further unpack and explore the psycho-emotional frequencies associated with any traumas, really. So congratulations before we move on, and thank you from the bottom of my heart for your dedication, your joy, your discipline, your willingness to spread your light in the world. Again, thank you. Your journey is just beginning, my friend. It always is. This process of self-discovery never ends, no matter how far along we find ourselves, because that's the thing about infinity. You know, it's infinite, and make no mistake, this is an infinite journey ahead of us. It's not like things end. There's no endings, there's only new beginnings. So for today's asana sequence, we'll be going over the totality. So find an open location, clean airflow, free from little bugs and dust, and set aside the next 20, maybe 30 minutes to really let this lesson settle in during the asana practice. Remember to hold each posture for about 3 to 5 breaths. Take a deep breath at the beginning and at the end of each posture. And remember doing the body scan with each breath, and then too, if your awareness becomes centered on a certain location, like a little gravity pulling you there. Observe the tension, witness it, allow it to be, let it come, let it go, and then identify any other possibilities for holding yourself in that position. Allow your body to find that natural, effortless, restful ease in each pose, and listen to your body. Open your heart, open your awareness. Notice the pulse in the pose. Make those micro movements with the breath. Breathe deeply. And sink your awareness throughout your entire body until you're pulsing with light. Guide your movements with your breath and feel good.